Hello students, in our yesterday class we have studied up to coordination complex. Okay, now we are going to study about coordination chemistry. Okay, this is the branch of inorganic chemistry which mainly deals with the coordination compounds. It is a study of coordination compounds or complexes. Okay, the coming to the classification of complexes, coordination complexes are broadly classified into three main types. One is cationic complex, second is anionic complex, third one is neutral complex. So cationic complex, a complex ion carries positive charge, is called as a cationic complex. So CONH3 on top we have a +3 and NiNH3 on top we have a +2. We can observe the positive charge. That is the reason we are calling it as a cationic complex. Okay. Next we have anionic complex. A complex ion carries negative charge. FeCN6 on top we have a 3-. You can observe the negative charge. That is the reason we can say it as anionic complex. Next we have a neutral complex. A complex which does not carry any charge and it does not produce any ions when dissolved in any solvent. So we can't observe any charge on this complex. NiCO4 on top we don't have any charge, so it is a neutral complex. The charge is always 0. Now coming to the important terms in coordination chemistry, and mainly we can say these are the main terms in coordination complex. So first one is central ion. It is a center of coordination complex. Okay, it contains a vacant orbital to accept electrons. Okay. Next, coming to the ligand, atoms or ions or molecule which donate a lone pair of electrons to the central metal ion, that is called as a donor. So in complex we can observe acceptor and donor to form a coordination bond. You can observe CONH3 on top +3. This is a complex where you can observe CO as a central ion and H3 as a ligand. Here ligand donates electrons to CO. Okay. So these are the main terms. So now we are coming to the ligand explanation. Ligands are again broad classification. Here we have two types of ligands, unidentate and polydentate ligand. And unidentate ligand with one lone pair of electrons. Okay. Here this ligand can donate only one lone pair of electrons to the central metal ion. That is example I can give you NH3. Nitrogen, if you observe, it is from 50A group element and it is having valency 5, so it is forming 3 bonds with 3 hydrogen atoms. Still it has 2 lone pairs on it. These 2 lone pairs it donates to the central metal atom to form coordinate bond. Okay. Next, unidentate ligand with 2 lone pair of electrons. Here the ligand which donates 2 lone pair of electrons to the central metal atom. Okay, here that means I am giving you best example, water, H2O. Here oxygen valence is 6, so it is forming 2 bonds with the hydrogen atoms and still it has 2 lone pairs to donate to the central metal atom. Next, coming to third one, unidentate ligand with 3 lone pair of electrons. Here ligand donates 3 lone pairs to the central metal atom. Example I can give you Cl-, Cl, chlorine valence is 7. It has 7 electrons. That means it can donate 3 pairs to any central metal atom. Okay. So next, coming to the polydentate ligand. Okay, polydentate ligand means a ligand which has 2 or more donor atoms which can simultaneously donate electrons to the central metal atom. Okay, so now the types of polydentate ligands. First one, bidentate ligand, the ligand which contains 2 donor atoms. You can see the example, ethylene diamine. It has 2 NH2 groups. Here nitrogen, 2 nitrogen atoms are acting as donor atoms. Next example, oxalate. Here oxygens, 2 oxygens are acting as donor atoms. Now coming to the tridentate ligand, a ligand which contains 3 donor atoms. 3 donor atoms. You can see the example, ethylene triamine, diethylene triamine. You can see there 3 amino groups. 3 nitrogens are acting as donor atoms in this structure. Now coming to tetradentate ligand. Tetradentate ligand means a ligand which consists of 4 donor atoms. Okay, 4 donor atoms are present in this ligand. You can see triethylene tetraamine, that is triene. Here 4 amino groups are present. 4 nitrogen atoms are acting as 4 donor atoms. Next one is pentadentate ligand. That means ligand which consists of 5 donor atoms. So you can see the example, ethylene diamine triacetate. Okay, you can see 2 nitrogen groups and CO minus groups. Oxygens which are having minus charge will donate electrons, and nitrogen atoms also donate electrons. Totally you can observe 5 donor atoms, hence it is a pentadentate ligand. Next one, hexadentate ligand. Hexadentate ligand means a ligand which consists of 6 donor atoms. Best example, EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Okay, you can see 2 nitrogens and O minus, 4 O minus groups, COO minus. Okay, 4 O minus groups and 2 nitrogen groups acts as a 6 donor atoms. So it is a hexadentate ligand. So next, symmetrical and unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. You can see the symmetrical bidentate ligand. In this ligand, similar donor groups are present on both sides. You can see two amine groups on ethylene structure, that is NH2 and NH2. So similar groups are present, so it is a symmetrical ligand. Next, unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Here unsimilar groups are present on both sides. So to CH2 group, 2 groups are attached, COO minus and NH2. Both are unsimilar, so it is called unsimilar bidentate ligand. Next one is ambidentate ligand. Okay, so ambidentate ligand means ligand which consists of 2 donor sites, but only one is attached to the metal atom at a time. Okay, at a time only one atom can act as a donor. You can see the examples nitro and nitrito also. Nitro NO2 structure, nitrito also NO2 structure. But here first case in nitro, N is acting as a donor atom, N is donating electrons to the metal. In second case nitrito, oxygen O is acting as a donor atom. So similar, same group acting differently in different cases. At a time only one element acts as a donor atom. Okay, next coming to the bridging ligand, a ligand that connects 2 or more atoms at a time. It is forming a bridge like structure between 2 atoms. It acts as a bridge. Okay, between 2 niobium atoms, Cl is acting as a bridge. Okay, next coming to chelating ligand, a ligand which forms a coordination bond with central metal atom and to form a ring like structure. Here also ligand donates electrons, but it forms a ring like structure on donation. You can see trimethylene diamine. Here 2 NH2 groups and 3 CH2 groups are present. 2 NH2 groups are attaching to metal atom to form a ring like structure. Here also acetanato. Okay, here also you can observe 2 oxygen atoms at a time attaches to metal atom to form a ring like structure.